Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your one and only girl EllaLoves beauty. So if you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome back as well. So in today's video, we're gonna be revealing some pressed on nails that I got from Glamermaid, and I'm also gonna be trying them out, you guys. So I got a lot, like 6 pairs of nails from Glamermaid. This brand do reach out to me, and they were kind enough to send me 6 pairs of nails to try out, you guys. So today we're gonna be trying them out together. Yeah, I do love rocking press on nails, like good quality press on nails. That's because sometimes you have to go to work, you don't have to go to the salon and get your acrylic nails done because you need to work. You can't wear your nails to work, right? So yeah, you guys, that's why I do like to always rock press on nails. And my kind of nails, these are my kind of nails, you guys. These nails are really super long. They are super long. So this is the first one, which is the Kiss from Stars. Like, I'm going to be writing their names on the screen for you to see. And then we have this second one, which is the Moon and Stars. Then this third one is the Toasted Pecan. Like, all these names, you guys, they are so super gorgeous. They are so beautiful. And we have this one, which is the Shockwave. And this other one is the Shockwave, you guys. And the last and on the list is the Sea Mambo. So you guys, I am going to be leaving the links to this product on the description below. So right now, let's go ahead and put the nails on. So when you come to the back of this pack, you will see the instructions to follow to kind of put your nails on. Hence I forget, they also send me one nail prep oil remover. So you guys, this set contains everything you need to get your nails done. In here we have the nails, then the manicure stick, the nail files, the prep pad, and a lot of nails adhesive tab. So at the back of this nail pack, there's an instruction on how to fix and also remove your nails. So step number 1 is to file the nails gently and push the edge of the nails with the manicure stick to remove excess cutting.
Standard.
So step number 2 is to use a prep pad to remove moisture and oil from the surface of the nails.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor.
So the third step is to select the best fitting nails of each finger, which is what I'm doing right here. So before I forget, guys, I have a discount code you can actually use to save some money when you purchase from Glamermaid. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it on the screen for you to see, and you can use it when you're checking out on their website, and you'll be able to save some money. Step number 4 is to apply the right size adhesive nails tab to the nails, and then fix the nails piece and press for 15 seconds. Like, make sure you do not touch any water for about 2 hours after getting these nails done, you guys. Okay, so just watch me as I do this. It is as simple as ABC. So like I said before, all the details regarding these nails will be down on the description below, including their Instagram handles and as well as mine. So everything will be on the description below, so do definitely make sure you check it out. And you guys, I am so loving this. Like, this is actually the quickest way I have ever getting my nails done. And To remove it is as simple as well. It's just for you to use your manicure stick to just remove the nails. It is not hard at all. Like, it is very, very easy. So now that we're done putting this on, this is how it looks like, you guys. It doesn't really look like press on. It is so strong. It is so looking like acrylic, you guys. Like, this is me putting like $10.99 nails on, and it feels like I am rocking $50 acrylic. This is so affordable, and it is so beautiful. Like, you guys, I loved all the nails that I received, and yeah, this is the second one. I just went on and start putting them on for you guys to see. This is the second one, this kind of pinky shade with some stones on it, and I love them. You guys. Like, next month is my birthday, so I am not going to be spending a dime on nails, you guys. Amazing, right? So this is the third one, and I feel like the ring light is not doing justice to this particular one. For the rest nails, I do went ahead and switch off my ring light, but this is actually one of the best nails I received, and I forgot to actually turn off my ring light so that the color would just show as well. But you guys, it is so cute. So this other one, I got this in a medium length, you guys, and it is so cute. This is not too long. This is so beautiful, you guys. So you guys, if you've watched this video to this very point, you want to make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications, so that way you will be notified whenever I upload new video. Okay, can you see this other shade? It is so cute, and this other one is one of my favorites, you guys. I love every nails that I received from Glamermaid, and also, you guys, do not forget to use my discount code Ella15 to check out while shopping on Glamermaid, you guys. They have lots of other nails design and in different lengths to choose from, you guys. So right now we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. All the links regarding these nails are down on the description below. Definitely make sure you check them out. Until next time, I will see you all. Bye.
Give me in a man, I wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man, I grind, say she give me dirty wine.